4 divided by 5 divided by 6 divided by 2. A lot of divisions, and it is divided into a fraction. So we have a numerator. So this is the upper part. It is called the numerator. And this bottom part is called the denominator. Whenever you have the order of operations, you must follow the PEMDAS order. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. And D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for what? Yeah, you name it, please. Yes, I'm talking with you. Yes. S stands for subtraction. And this shows an arrow, a vector of priority. So from highest to the lowest priority. And whenever you have parentheses, search for parentheses at first. If you have any parentheses, you must do parentheses at first. Then when you get rid of the parentheses, you should go for exponents. Then go for multiplication and division. But keep in mind, they have the same priority. So go from left to right. And then addition and subtraction, go from left to right. So and for fractions, you must do the numerator at first, the topper part, the higher part, and then the bottom part. But I will give you a trick at the end. So on the numerator, we have 4 divided by 5 divided by 6. One fast tip and trick for division. So for example, whenever we have, let's say, a number, let's say m divided by a over b, you can turn it into multiplication if you turn the second fraction into the reciprocal. So I mean, just flip the topper part with the lower part. So we can write it as m, it equals m multiplied by b over a. So instead of divided by a over b, you can write it as multiplied by reciprocal of the fraction. So a reciprocal of a fraction is if you turn and swap the topper part with the lower part, like this. So with this in mind, let's just revisit and rewrite the whole thing, the whole numerator. So 4 divided by 5, so the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5, right? I just swapped the top part and the bottom part. And then divided by 6, it is multiplied by 1 over 6. Now it is just a simple multiplication. Go from left to right. So 4 over 5 times 1 over 6. In other words, 4 over 30. Okay, so this is the numerator part. And now you should divide this by the denominator, by the bottom part. Again, another division. So we can write it as multiplication. 4 over 30 multiplied by, okay, it's your turn. You tell me, multiplied by, what is the reciprocal of 2? 1 over 2, because 2, it is a digit, and we can write it as a fraction, and the denominator is just 1. So now it is just a simple multiplication. Go from left to right. 4 times 1, it is 1, and 30 times 2, it is 60. So that's the final answer, but you can always simplify that. We can divide both sides by 4, and so 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 60 divided by 4, yeah, you can tell me, it is 15. And that's the final answer. So make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below. And as your challenge, what would the answer be if we had 5 divided by 6 inside parentheses? So please write your answers in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you find any values in this video to support me as well. And like the videos as well. And see you on our next video on prime logic. I think the next one would definitely be more interesting. See you on our next video.